If you've ever tried to watch Netflix on your laptop without internet, you've probably noticed the download button doesn't exist on the browser. Yep, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, none of them let you download anything from Netflix. But in this video, I'll show you the exact method to download Netflix movies and series on your PC or laptop the right way. And trust me, once you know this trick, offline watching becomes super easy. So let's get started. First things first, the only way to download Netflix content on a Windows computer is by using the official Netflix app, not the browser. And the good news, it's completely free to install. Just go to your Windows search bar and type Microsoft Store. Open it up. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, head to the search box inside the store and type Netflix. You'll see the official Netflix app pop up. Click it, then hit install. The download only takes a moment. Once the app finishes installing, launch it. Sign in using your Netflix email and password, choose your profile, and you're in. Now for the important part, downloading your movie or series. Simply find the title you want. When you hover over it or open its details page, you'll see a small download icon, usually shown as a downward arrow. Click it, and your download will begin instantly. You can see your progress in the downloads section inside the app. However, keep one thing in mind. Not all titles are downloadable. This isn't a glitch. It's usually due to licensing restrictions. If you don't see a download button on a specific movie or show, that means Netflix hasn't enabled downloads for that title. Also, if the download button still doesn't appear for content that should be available, go to Settings, Downloads, Download Devices, and check whether your PC is allowed as one of the devices linked to your Netflix account. And that's it. Once the download finishes, you can watch anytime, on a plane, during travel, or anywhere without internet. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on any other apps. Thanks for watching and enjoy your offline Netflix binge.